Oops. Oops.
By the way, honey, wish me luck with my mom.
You got it. Oops.
Seriously, honestly, really?
Why are your shorts in a bunch?
Because every time I turn around, you keep farting.
Stop complaining, son. And just for that, here's another one. Oops.
Excuse me, but I'm headed to the restroom. I'm back, Mom. What's so funny?
Nothing?
Okay. I'm going to sit down now.
All right, son. Go ahead.
Well, Vicky, your mom-in-law did it this time.
Yes, she did, Naomi.
Mom, that was a disgusting thing you did. For putting that whoopee cushion on my seat. It was embarrassing.
Oh, I'm in trouble again, huh?
You're darn right you are. What's with the Morse code BS?
My translation? Oops.
Seriously, honestly, really?